Hi, this tutorial will help you to set up Trust Wallet on your mobile applications. If you're on Android, go to the Play Store and type Trust Wallet on the search bar. Click on the dedicated application with similar logo as displayed on the screen and click on Install button. When the installation is complete, click on the Open button. Now, if you haven't used Trust Wallet before, you must be wondering that why should we install it in the first place and what's the use case. Now, let's try to understand it in a very simple language. So, Trust Wallet is a digital self-custodial wallet which can help you store your digital assets and exchange some cryptocurrencies. You must have used Paytm or Google Pay to send Indian currencies from one account to the another. Now, this crypto wallet works in a similar manner, but the difference is the transactions takes place on blockchain and the exchange takes place in form of cryptocurrencies or tokens. Once your app is loaded, you will see a similar screen. Now, this application has various features, but we will first start with setting up our wallet. On clicking Create a New Wallet button, you will find two features, Secret Phrase and Swift, which is the beta version. Now, you are suggested to use the secret phrase to create your own wallet. Now, what is exactly a secret phrase? Let's debunk it. So, secret phrase refers to a 12, 18 or 36 words phrase which is given in a particular sequence and generated by this wallet application. Now, the main use case of this secret phrase is to help you get access to your account. It's just like setting up a password for any social media account and using it to log into your account later. These secret phrases work in the same manner. Suppose if you lost your phone or buy a new phone for yourself and you want to set up your wallet again, you don't have to begin from scratch. You can simply click on the login button and type in this secret phrase to get access, and you won't lose your tokens on the same. The recorded screen here is black due to the built-in security features on Android, but here you will be shown the 12-letter secret phrase on your device. Now take a pen and paper, write this down and take care of the sequence in which the secret phrase is written. These 12 words will be allotted a number, and remembering the number and those words is very important along with remembering their case. Now, after you have saved these secret phrases, you have to go to login because you have created your wallet. Now you need to log into it to make some transactions. And when the login menu opens, you have to perform the task. You might have to type the whole secret phrase there, or you might have to arrange it into some sequences. Do it as asked on the screen. Once you are successfully logged in, you will get a similar message on your screen. Congratulations, you have created your own first self-custodial wallet and you're ready to make transactions on it. So before actually getting started with payments, let's explore a few basic features. Go to the top left button, it's for settings, and when you click on price alerts, you can turn it on. So this will actually send you the alerts when the prices go up or they go down. If you are interested in a particular token, you have to click on the plus button on top right. Here I'm typing USDC for the demo purpose, and after selecting it, you will see it in your list of tokens for price alerts. On the right of crypto tab on the screen, you will find NFTs. So non-fungible tokens are the digital assets which can be stored on your wallet as well. Isn't it fascinating? Now on the swap tab, you can actually utilize this section to swap your tokens. You can interchange them, you can swap them. Now on the earn tab, you can actually find the ways to earn these tokens, and on the discover, you can find the latest news and everything which is pretty much trending and which can help you make some decisions and or understand how the tokens and everything works. Now let's come back to the home screen and we will rename our wallet because you can see the main wallet one, this text on the top left doesn't look right, it's very boring. So I will click on it and I will rename this main wallet one into any interesting name because we might have more than one wallet and we may not wanna forget about the things, or we don't want to mix them up, right? Okay, so after renaming your wallet, you can simply click on the receive button, which is on the horizontal tab on the top itself. You will get an option to select the token that you want to receive. I'm selecting USDT here for demo purpose. Now, here, this screen is pretty important here. You will find a QR code through which any sender can scan this QR code and send you some USDT. But the text below this QR code is very crucial, and you should understand this, because this is something which is really important when it comes to crypto transactions. So we know that when we utilize apps like Google Pay or Paytm, we have a dedicated UPI codes or UPI numbers, right? It's basically more like a username which can be written, and we can send money directly to them. These wallet addresses work in the same manner. So if you want someone to send you any tokens or cryptocurrencies, you will have to send them your public address. This is the actually wallet address, which begins from 0x, and it's pretty long. And when you send this address to them, they will be able to send you some money, some crypto exactly, and all your transactions, like even if you send some USDT or some crypto to someone else, it will be through this wallet address itself. You can also utilize the set amount button to set the amount for it. Example, you only want to receive 100 USDT. So this can be done here, and on clicking the share button, you can directly share this QR code and your wallet address to anyone who wants to send you some tokens. So I'll click Telegram here, and I will send these details to the user for demo purpose. Now let's see how you can send some tokens as a sender. So this screen is from the sender's side. First of all, you can simply copy the wallet address, and yeah, remember, wallet addresses always begins from 0x. This helps you identify the wallet addresses. Now click on the send button on the first horizontal row, and after you click on send button, you have to select the tokens or the cryptocurrencies that you want to send. Here we are sending USDC. Okay, and upon clicking further, you have to paste the wallet address. Remember how those UPI things work, right? Then you have to enter the amount. Some a little amount of gas fee would be charged, so you don't have to worry about it all. And once it's done, you can simply click on next and wait until your payment is being processed. After the payment is done, you will be able to see the history on the history tab. Again, go to the home page, you will find it on the horizontal row. Now let's check if we have received this 3 USDC on the receiver's side. So on the receiver's side, I go to history and I can see that, okay, 3 USDC has been credited to my account, and I can see my sender's address, which begins from 0xD97F, right? So this is actually how it works, and I hope it was helpful.